Understanding understudy in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the term understudy. It's a word that often pops up in contexts ranging from theater to everyday life. So, let's dive in and explore its nuances together. The term understudy has its roots in the world of theater. An understudy is a performer in a play or a musical who learns the lines and blocking, or stage movements, of a leading or supporting role. The key is that the understudy prepares to perform not as the star, but as a backup, ready to step in if the primary actor is unable to go on stage due to illness, absence, or other unforeseen circumstances. Moving beyond the stage, understudy can also be used in a broader context. In any situation, an understudy might refer to someone who is prepared to take over the responsibilities of another person. This could be in a job, a team sport, or any scenario where a backup is necessary. Now, let's put our word into action. How can we use understudy in a sentence? Here are some examples. The director chose me as the understudy for the lead role in the play. She served as an understudy to the company's CEO, ready to manage in his absence. It's important not to confuse understudy with apprentice or intern. While all three terms involve learning and potentially stepping into a role, an understudy is specifically geared up to take over if needed, often with little to no notice. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of understudy. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting term and added a useful word to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English language understudy no more, but a master of your craft. Until next time, happy learning!